all of you. Here I am Puneet Kumar Mishra, Assistant Professor, GL Bajaj Institute of Technology and Management, Greater Noida. We started a course on a integrated circuit, okay, and this is necessary in electronics and communication engineering stream in 5th semester. Okay. So, now we started integrated circuit. Here we start with the introduction part of integrated circuit. Okay. So, integrated circuit. So, first here we try to define the definition of integrated circuit. So, first we define the what is the electronic circuit. What is the electronic circuit? Because the integrated circuit is a part of electronic circuit. So, if we define electronic circuit, our definition is electronic circuit is made of the individual electrical and electronics components such as resistor, capacitor, transistors and these components connected through by a conducting wire by which electric current can flow. Okay. So, here we see that we take a typical electronic circuit, and this circuit contains the capacitor, diode, BJT and PN transistor and resistor, which in circuit we generally call RC, and second resistor which is RE, emitter resistor, and this is the power supply. Okay. So, this circuit is defined the definition of electronic circuit, which says that the electronic circuit made of the individual electronics and electrical components such as resistor, capacitor, diode, transistor may be PN, may be BJT, may be JFET and may be MOSFET, and these component connected through a conductive wire by which the electric current can flow. Okay. So, this is the definition, and in definition of electronic circuit we generally avoid the component inductor, okay, because the fabrication of inductor is not possible in form of monolithic IC. It is very difficult to fabricate inductor with a precise value. Now, next will be the types of electronic circuit. There are two types of electronic circuit. We know that PCB, printed circuit board. So, in types of electronic circuit we categorize into two categories. One is our discrete electronic circuit, and second one is the integrated electronic circuit, which is popularly known as ICs, integrated circuit. Okay. So, definition of discrete electronic circuit is discrete electronic circuit made with the individual discrete component such as resistor, transistor, capacitor and their interconnection. PCB is example of discrete electronic circuit. Okay. Here in this slide we show a typical PCB, printed circuit board, which contain a monolithic IC such as here one IC, second, third, and a resistor. In some part we see the resistor, and these monolithic IC and resistor contain with the some LED is also here, and it connected with a conductive wire. This this red line will show the conductive wire connected through a conductive wire. Okay. So, discrete electronic circuit is basically made with the discrete component. This circuit is discrete in nature, where we can easily define the where the monolithic IC, where the resistor, where the capacitor, where the transistor and where the LED. It can easily defined in discrete manner. Now, second one is IC. Integrated circuit is the most specific part of the modern electronic. IC is the most specific part of modern electronic. Integrated circuit, how can we define the integrated circuit? Integrated circuit is made by the fabrication of the various electrical and electronics component, fabrication of the various electrical and electronics component such as resistor, capacitor, diode and transistor. Transistor may be BJT, may be JFET, JB, may be MOSFET on a semiconductor material, and this semiconductor material is called as substrate or a wafer, also called a wafer. Okay. So, this is the definition fabrication of the various, this is the important term fabrication. What is the fabrication? It integrated circuit is basically made with the special procedure, or we say that a process of steps, process of steps which called fabrication. What is the steps involved in the fabrication? This is the we show that we try to show that a typical integrated circuit, and this is made on a semiconductor substrate, semiconductor material substrate, and this part suppose that this part will cover the diode, this is the BJT and this will be the resistor, and this shows the interconnection made with the metallization metallization with in metallization we try to connect a metallic layer, we try to connect a component through a metallic layer. In this circuit made with the process which is known as fabrication, and fabrication is basically contain the first part is single crystal growth, second is another is oxidation, epitaxy, lithography, etching, diffusion, ion implantation, metallization, and in last packaging. So, these are the fabrication steps. If you see here, this is the IC, example of IC, this one shows the IC. So, this IC made by a fabrication of various electrical or electronics component. Maybe this, suppose that IC 741 contain around 23 BJT and 12 transistor. So, 12 transistor and 23 12 register and 23 BJT transistor made with a particular made with a process which defined as a fabrication, and fabrication involve the various steps like single crystal growth, oxidation, epitaxy, lithography, etching, diffusion, ion implantation and metallization. These are the fabrication process. Now, next integrated circuit, the types of integrated circuit. So, based on application there are three types of integrated circuit. The first one is the analog integrated circuit. In analog integrated circuit, we define the analog integrated circuit. Analog integrated circuits such as current mirror, operational amplifier, emitter follower, modulator. These are the example of analog integrated circuit, and analog integrated circuit which is processed by a continuous time signal, a continuous time signal, that is the analog signal. तो एक ऐसी IC जिसको हम कंटिन्यूअस टाइम सिग्नल से प्रोसेस करते हैं, उस IC को बोलते हैं एनालॉग IC. एंड सम टाइम वी से दैट दिस इज आल्सो डिफाइंड ए लीनियर IC, because in analog IC we particular use in analog electronics as a amplifier, and we generally consider amplification is a linear function, is a linearity, it follow the superposition theorem. Then we say that the analog IC generally we defined as a linear integrated circuit or a linear IC. Now, next the digital IC. Digital IC such as logic gate, multiplexer, flip flop, counter, register, microprocessor, these are the in category of digital IC. The digital IC is basically processed with the binary mathematics, that is logic 0 and logic 1. IC 7401 is a NAND gate IC. This is the this shows the NAND gate IC. This will be let us suppose that 7401 NAND gate IC. This is the 14-point dual in line package IC, DIP IC. This is the example of a NAND gate. Okay. Another IC is suppose IC 8085 microprocessor. ठीक है, 8085 microprocessor also a in category of digital IC, digital electronics IC. Now, next, based on the application, the third category is the mixed mode IC. Mixed mode IC has the both component, that is the analog component and digital component. One specific unit of integrated circuit subject with dedicated to this IC, which known as mixed mode IC. So, mixed mode IC has the both component, that is the analog component and digital component. For example, ADC DAC, analog to digital conversion, and digital to analog conversion, PLL, phase locked loop, and IC 555 timer is an example of mixed mode IC. Okay. So, this is the any 555 timer. Okay. Any RSC 555 timer. In this figure, this is the any 555 any and SC is suggests a name of Signetic Corporation. These are the MNC which made the chip or IC. और जितने भी अगर सिग्नेटिक कॉर्पोरेशन कोई IC बनाती है तो हम उस IC के स्टार्ट में हम लिखते हैं NE and SC. ठीक, और फॉर एग्जांपल लेट कंसीडर दैट वन फंडामेंटल ऑफ IC, फंडामेंटल रिलेटेड टू IC नेम. सपोज दैट इफ फेयरचाइल्ड Semiconductor Corporation made a IC. Suppose that Fairchild Corporation and other MNC which make IC, we makes AIC we give the name mu A, micro A. This is the name which define this IC is made with the Fairchild Semiconductor. Okay, mu A 741. IC 741 is popular known as OP-amp, operational amplifier. This is the not the part of mixed mode IC, this is the part of analog IC. Here we only discuss about the what is the significance of SC, NE and mu A. In similar fashion, if National Semiconductor makes a IC, suppose that National Semiconductor makes a IC, make a IC for a operational amplifier, then we give the LM3 name LM 318. LM defined this IC made by National Semiconductor. Okay. Now, next, based on the number of gates and number of transistor per chip, okay, number of gates and number of transistor per chip, the IC has 4 category. First one is SSI. SSI means small scale integration, and SSI chips contain the 3 to 30 gates per chip or a 1 to 100 number of transistor per chip. Okay. Number of gates and number of transistor per chip means according to density, this defined as the density of transistor. Okay. SSI circuit contain the 3 to 30 gates. Yeah, in some book or we can in technical language, this is the package density, of transistor. Okay. SSI means small scale integration, and SSI chip or circuit contain the 3 to 30 gates per chip, or 1 to 100 या 10 to 100 number of transistor per chip in category of SSI. An example of SSI small scale integration is logic gates, multiplexer, flip flop. Okay. The basic digital electronic circuit, we start with the digital electronic course, then first we study about the logic gate, and after that we learn about multiplexer, and after multiplexer we study about flip flop. So, these are the basic or initial state of a logic digital electronics. So, these gates or multiplexer and flip flop is an example of SSI. Okay. Now, next category is MSI. MSI means medium scale integration, and MSI circuit contains 30 to 300 number of gates per chip, or 100 to thousands number of transistor per circuit or a per chip. Okay. And is this example of MSI is counter register. Okay. MSI contains this number is necessary 30 to 300 gates per chip, or 100 to 1000 transistor per chip. Okay. So, first we study about logic gate, multiplexer and flip flop, and after that logic gate, multiplexer and flip flop when combined, it gives the counter and register. When we our initial technology will develop, our initial technology was developed logic gates, multiplexer, flip flop, and after that next phase of technology is MSI, where these are basic, where logic gates logic gate, multiplexer and flip flop combined, these give the counter and register. Okay. इसको हम कैसे याद करते हैं, देखो आप, these are our basic mux flip flop. When these are combined together, it gives the counter and register. So, this is the basic it for LSI, and when these are combined and number of transistor increases or number of gates increases, then next phase of technology is called MSI, medium scale integration. Okay. So, MSI contain 330 to 300 gates per chip, and LSI contain 3 to 30 gates per chip. Now, next one is LSI. LSI means large scale integration. LSI means large scale integration, and LSI circuit, LSI ICs contain 300 to 3000 gates per chip, or in terms of transistor we can say that the 1000 to 10,000 gates per 10,000 transistor per chip. Okay. Now, example of LSI is 8 bit microprocessor, that is the 8085. IC 8085 is example of large scale integration LSI, okay. And read only memory is also an example of LSI circuit, read only memory. Okay. Now, next and most important thing of integrated circuit is VLSI. VLSI means very large scale integration, very large scale integration, and VLSI circuit contains the more than 3000 gates per chip or more than 10,000 transistor per chip. An example of VLSI circuit is a 16-bit microprocessor and 32-bit microprocessor. 16-bit microprocessor is popularly known as the IC 8086. 8086 is example of VLSI circuit. Now, next, based on the fabrication, one more thing we discuss here about the ICs. The first ICs was made by Jack Kilby. In 1958, the first IC was made by Jack Kilby, okay, which based on the germanium material. The first IC was made by Jack Kilby, which is based on germanium material, and the another member which name is Robert Noyce. Robert Noyce made the first true IC, which is made by the silicon material. Okay. So, these two people are made discover or made a integrated circuit. Jack Kilby also we say that the father of ICs is Jack Kilby. In year 2000, Jack Kilby awarded with the Nobel Prize for making the or giving the giving the concept of integrated circuit IC. Based on fabrication, monolithic IC. Based on fabrication, there are two types of integrated circuit. One is the monolithic IC, okay, and second one is the hybrid IC. Monolithic IC. Monolithic word made by the two word mono. Mono means single, and lithic is defined from the word lithos, is the Greek word lithos, which meaning is stone. Okay. And here the stone means semiconductor substrate or a semiconductor wafer, which is basically generally provide the mechanical support to device. Okay. Mechanical support to device, or we say that the semiconductor substrate as a chassis for a IC. Okay. Monolithic IC is an integrated circuit which is made on a single crystal of a semiconductor. Single crystal of a semiconductor material, usually silicon, okay, made on a single semiconductor material. Single semiconductor material give the word monolithic, where mono means single and lithic derived from the Greek word lithos, that is the stone. Okay. Monolithic is a batch processing technique. बैच प्रोसेसिंग टेक्निक मीन्स, बैच प्रोसेसिंग माने मीन्स क्या होता है ये मैं बता दूं। बैच प्रोसेसिंग मीन्स होता है मोर नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट per unit time. batch processing is a technical word which means more number of product per unit time or a mass production per unit time. ठीक है, तो अगर ये मास प्रोडक्शन है और बैच प्रोसेसिंग है, कोई भी अगर प्रोडक्शन बैच प्रोसेसिंग है मीन में उसका कॉस्ट जो होगा वो लो होगा, वो इकोनॉमिकल होगा. तो आईसी जो है वो इकोनॉमिकल है एज कंपेयर टू बीसीबी, क्योंकि आप थाउजेंड्स ऑफ आईसी, 10,000 ऑफ आईसी, ठीक है, पर यूनिट टाइम में आप बनाते हो, या जैसे पर आवर्स में हम बनाते हैं थाउजेंड्स ऑफ आईसी, 10,000 ऑफ आईसी. And monolithic IC is basically low power IC. Monolithic IC also is a low power IC. And second one is hybrid IC. Hybrid IC also defined as the multi-chain IC. Multi-chain, multi means many component, chain means interconnection. So hybrid IC is it made with the contain one or more monolithic ICs. Are individual transistor are mounted on sorry, this will be the on insulating substrate with the resistor, capacitor and other circuit element together with the appropriate interconnection. It is made with the one or more monolithic IC or individual transistor, resistor and capacitor, and these component mounted on a insulating substrate or insulating wafer with their appropriate interconnection. Here the substrate is used as a chassis for a integrated circuit. This diagram will show the example of hybrid circuit, hybrid integrated circuit. Okay. We use the we see that the hybrid example of hybrid integrated circuit in a high power audio amplifier. High power audio amplifier is generally made with this techniques, hybrid integrated circuit. Hybrid integrated circuit has also two parts. One is the thin film IC, other one is the thick film IC. Depending upon the method by which we made we make IC, which we make IC to which we make IC as a thin film IC or a thick film IC. So hybrid IC has the two parts, one is the thin film IC, another one the thick film IC. Okay. So these are the introduction about integrated circuit in ICs. IC has basically three subcategory. One is the based on application, analog IC, digital IC, mixed mode IC. Based on number of gates per chip or number of transistor per chip, LSI, SSI, MSI, LSI and VLSI, and based on the fabrication, these are monolithic IC and hybrid IC. Okay. This is the example of hybrid IC, monolithic example of monolithic IC is IC 741, popular as the operational amplifier. Okay. So this is the all about integrated circuit. In the next lecture, we started with the some another topic, and next will be we will start with the operational amplifier. Okay. Now, thank you.